Welcome to Car Rides, where we bring you detailed reviews of the latest machines, vehicles, and defense technology with a special focus on performance, design, and innovation. Today we take a close look at the Buk ME missile truck, a modernized mobile surface-to-air missile system that has been recognized for its advanced tracking, targeting, and defensive capabilities. This review will cover its specifications, features, design, and role in modern defense strategies, giving you a complete overview of why it is considered one of the most reliable missile systems in service. The Buk ME missile truck is designed as a self-propelled air defense system capable of intercepting a wide range of aerial threats including aircraft, cruise missiles, and drones. Mounted on a high-mobility tractor-wheeled chassis, the system offers fast deployment and maneuverability across different terrains. One of its most notable upgrades lies in its radar and fire control systems, which allow detection of multiple targets simultaneously, ensuring rapid response to evolving threats. The Buk ME provides 360-degree coverage and can engage targets at medium to long ranges, giving armed forces a strategic edge in battlefield protection. In terms of specifications, the Buk ME is equipped with a modern phased array radar capable of detecting targets at distances up to 150 kilometers depending on conditions. Its missiles can engage aerial threats at ranges up to 45 kilometers with high accuracy and reliability. Each missile launcher can carry multiple ready-to-fire missiles and reload quickly, ensuring continuous protection in combat scenarios. The truck platform itself is built for durability and speed, with the ability to travel over rugged landscapes while maintaining stability for firing operations. One of the standout features of the Buk ME is its integration of digital fire control systems and automated target recognition, which reduces operator workload and increases engagement speed. The system can operate independently or as part of a larger integrated air defense network, making it highly versatile for different military operations. Its mobility allows it to be repositioned rapidly, minimizing vulnerability and increasing survivability on the battlefield. The Buk ME missile truck is also equipped with advanced electronic countermeasures to resist jamming and electronic warfare attempts, ensuring that it can function even in contested environments. Its modular design allows upgrades over time, keeping the system relevant in modern warfare. The combination of radar, mobility, missile power, and automation makes it an all-round performer in air defense roles. This missile system has proven itself in terms of reliability and effectiveness, with an ability to defend key infrastructure and forces against aerial threats. For military planners and defense analysts, the Buk ME continues to be a critical asset in providing secure airspace protection. With continuous improvements, it stands as an example of how modern defense technology blends firepower with digital intelligence. That wraps up our detailed review of the Buk ME missile truck, its specifications, features, and the role it plays in advanced defense strategies. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more reviews on powerful machines, cars, trucks, and defense systems, make sure to subscribe to Car Rides for more in-depth content and updates.